Struggling to make your videos look professional? Premiere Pro templates are the easiest way to level up your editing, even if you're just starting out. Today, I'll walk you through everything: where to find free templates, how to download them. Just follow along. Let's dive in. To get started, open your browser and search for Motion Array. Sign up or sign in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see an interface packed with creative resources. Important note: Motion Array offers both free and paid assets, so you can start experimenting with free templates and upgrade to premium plans as your needs grow. Navigate to Video Templates and select Adobe Premiere Pro. You'll also find templates for After Effects, motion graphics or MOGRT, and other formats to explore later. Browse through the available templates. Many are premium assets. For this tutorial, we'll focus on free options. Simply type "free template" in the search bar to filter your results. Hover over any template to preview it. You'll find options for logos, slideshows, lower thirds, intros, transitions, and more. When you find one you like, click on it and hit download. These resources are invaluable for saving time and delivering polished results, especially when working with clients. While free templates are perfect for learning, premium subscriptions unlock unlimited downloads and professional-grade assets. Another excellent resource is Mixkit. Search for it on Google and accept the cookies to continue. The homepage clearly states "free assets for your next video project." This platform is powered by Envato. Click on Video Templates to browse their Premiere Pro collection. To download, select your preferred template and click Download Free Template. You'll find templates for openers, transitions, lower thirds, social media content, subscribe buttons, end screens, and much more. Once your templates are downloaded, you'll need to extract them. Select all files, right-click, and choose Extract Here. Ensure WinRAR is installed on your device for this step. After extraction, organize all files into a dedicated folder. Files that appear as blank documents are motion graphics templates. These require installation, which I'll demonstrate shortly. The remaining files are projects files that open directly in Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to edit with a Premiere Pro template. I'll open one now, which launches directly in Premiere Pro. The project appears on the timeline. Double-click the green nested sequence to reveal its contents. Don't be intimidated by the multiple layers. We'll tackle them one at a time. Starting with the V1 or Video 1 layer, I'll double-click on the nested sequence until I reach the placeholder for my media. For this demonstration, I'm using an image. After importing it, the image appears smaller than the frame. To fix this, right-click the image on the timeline and select Scale to Frame Size. Perfect, it now fills the frame completely. Moving to the text layer, I'll double-click to edit. Replace the placeholder text with your own. Then customize the font, size, color, and positioning to match your brand. For the rectangle shape, open the Effect Controls panel, navigate to Shape, and adjust the color to your preference. Continue this process for each element. open nested sequences, replace placeholders with your images or footage, customize text and graphics. The goal is to make every element your own while maintaining the template's professional structure. Now for motion graphics templates. Click Window and select Essential Graphics. Once the panel loads, click the plus icon at the bottom right, locate your MOGRT file, and click Open. The template now appears in your Essential Graphics panel. This YouTube subscribe button, for example, can be dragged directly onto your timeline. Customize the text, background color, bell icon, make it uniquely yours. When you're satisfied with your edit, export your project by pressing Ctrl M. And there you have it. You now know how to find, download, install, and customize Premiere Pro templates to create professional videos efficiently. Templates are game changers for your editing workflow. They save hours while maintaining quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Learn with Emnet for more helpful tutorials. Let me know in the comments which template sites you'll try first. Remember, templates are a valuable tool in any editor's toolkit. Use them to learn, save time, and deliver great results. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Keep creating.